Hi, this is John with WTI, and of one of my skincare essentials, this is the Olay cleaning brush. So one of the things that I like the most about this, yes, guys, you should do your skincare and take care of your skin health. It's for everyone, not only guys only. So one of the things that I like the most about this brush, it has two different speeds. So this speed is the first one here that you can find that is going to be for normal gentle cleansing for your face. And if you do this 2 times, you're going to have the scrubbing, which is going to be a higher speed and higher intensity, which is going to take and remove all the skin, dead skin from your face. And it's going to be a little bit harder on your skin, but it's going to give you great results. It's charged by two AAA batteries that is going to be there, and it lasts long. It's easy to travel with. You put it on a bag and you're going to have your dental cleanser, and you're not going to have to use your hands that are mostly dirty sometimes. And you use this, perfect. It's not going to be too hard on your skin. It's not going to be creating any razor bumps or going to be irritating for your skin. This is made out of silicone brushes, so it's soft, easy. And if you're trying to take care of your skin, just like I do, this works great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.